Hey guys, Stock Series episode 63. Trading212 still offering a free share if you sign up using my link. Still EU only, I think, but we'll see. So, rough week in the portfolio, about 7,000 down, I think, overall. Expect everyone's seeing a bit of red. Nothing too drastic, but yeah, about £1,500 down on the gold and silver stocks in the IG account. Some of these back to 25% down, so that's not the best, but yeah, not bad. Usually gold and silver has a good move towards the end of the year, so hoping that's the case again. And if crypto is going to have a sort of end of year rise, then certainly in the invest account and in the ISAs, then I want to be selling out of that and buying some stocks. So lower prices is kind of a good thing. So the Trading212 ISAs down £2,200-ish. Nothing huge. ArcPi hasn't really moved. Some of the REITs sort of having a little bit of a rough week, but there's worse, of course. Argo blockchain down about 5%. Bitcoin ETP down over 10%. Big move down in Bitcoin on Tuesday, I think it was. It was a bank holiday on Monday in the US, so Tuesday was the first day of proper trading. And yeah, it dropped down, so look forward to the crypto update tomorrow. That's going to be a bit red unless something mad happens. Sentiment, yeah, some of the gold and silver miners obviously got hit harder than others, so crazy buy now for sentiment, considering gold prices sort of barely moved. Digital realty got really hit. It was a bit of a sort of frothy valuation, to be honest, so not too surprised by that. Still up 9% on that. First Majestic took another trip down. It's been lower sort of in the last month, so nothing to get too worked up about. What else have we got? Polymetal, obviously down with the rest of the gold miners, 6%. So that was there was an ex-dividend date in there as well, though, so that's part of the reason for the drop. Not sure whether that was on sentiment as well. I think they're pretty much sort of similar dates. Realty down 6%. Stag down just under 4%. So it's not quite as bad as the others. Sylvania flat for the week. Interesting. It did have obviously earlier last month. That was a hell of a move down to 85p. So yeah, even the Tritaxes, big box holding up not too bad, but Eurobox coming down quite a bit. And Vici down 7%. So yeah, still getting ready for their merger with MGP. But yeah, so ISA's taken a bit of a hit. And the invest account, so that's down about £3,000. Nothing too bad. Yeah, so that's 2% overall. So 3M down about 5%. That's sort of the most common drop. Airtel Africa actually green for the week, so that's not too bad. Alibaba down a little. A lot of these US ones down 5%. So Anthem down. ASOS I seem to have bought a little early. Bought £35. That's now 32, 35. So that's a bit of a shame. Aviva down a little. Baidu actually in the green. Barrett's down quite a bit. Most of those are flat. eBay 5% down, so that's not too good. FedEx down. My newer ones, Hewlett Packard again, sort of not the best timed, but there you go. Buying them for slightly longer term than this, of course. Himax, yeah, took a real... I didn't realise it even went down below $11. So that sort of came back a little during the week. That would have been a hell of a drop. Intel, yeah, it's fairly flat. International paper. So emerging markets ETF not done too well. Some more regulations and bits coming out of China. More sort of gaming related. So Tencent taking a bit of a hit. Japan actually bucking the trend, up 2.5%. So quite good on that. 5% in the green on that now. Global clean energy down. Europe pretty much flat, 1% down. Johnson & Johnson taking a hit as well, so is Kia Group. Even the water ETF is down, nothing's safe. 1% though, that's pretty good. Back to flat on that water ETF now. Legal and General hasn't really moved. Lennar down 5%, as you say. Awful lot of 5%, 3% on Lockheed. Micron pretty flat, that's not too bad. Nintendo in the green, which was a bit of a surprise. Porsche down a couple of percent. Process, as I say, with the 10-cent drop, that's down 5% nearly. Raytheon pretty flat. Renault down. Rio Tinto down as well. Pretty much everything's down, to be honest. Samsung, couple of percent. Sega actually up, so I'm in the green on Sega now. Pretty happy with that. Seneca, Siemens up slightly. Pretty good. Sony up as well, so some green. Nothing too great, but yeah. Stellantis 3% down. TSMC a little down. Taylor Wimpey, the house builders, sort of all down about 5%. Turtle Beach in the green. Tyson Foods down. Vale down about 5%. Video gaming down slightly. Viatris took a hell of a hit. 7%. And Volkswagen down about 3.5%. So certainly my sort of strategy of buying value and expecting sort of more downside protection doesn't seem to be playing out at the moment. It seems the sort of downside protection is in fact in what I would consider overpriced FANG stocks. So couldn't really predict that at the time, so I've done what I've done. And yeah, have to see where we go from here. So as I say, I'm not all that bothered if these drop a bit further, as long as we get a reasonable crypto move towards the end of the year. Yeah, quite happy for these to fall quite a bit and then sort of buy in and hold for the long term. So yeah, leave your thoughts in the comments below and like and subscribe. See you soon.